Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can add a Shopify blog tab in your navigation bar that we can show over here. You will have to go to Shopify, and here we are under the blogs again, and you can click on manage blogs, and here you will see this news thing. So this is the default category of the blog where you can add your blogs. If you want to add a new category, you can also click on add blog and you can create it. For now we can use this default one where we have published 2 of our blogs. So just click on it and click on view, and here you can see that both of our blogs are showing, and all of our new blogs that we will add in this category will show over here. So we can just copy this link and go to the Shopify dashboard, and here to add it in the menus we will have to click on menus over here, and here go to the main menu if you want to add it in the main menu. So main menu usually shows at the top of your page, so just click on add menu item and here write blog, and here you can paste the link or just select it over here just like that, or you can also paste the link that we have copied and just click on check over here and click on save. Go to the website again and click home page, and here you can see that blogs is now showing over here, and when user will click on it they will be able to read the blog. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. You can also hire me for any projects. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.